Okay. Good morning, students, once again. And just remember one thing. Previously, we have done aldol condensation, and if there is no alpha hydrogen, okay, then aldol condensation is not possible. Just remember. Okay. Okay, if there is no alpha hydrogen, then aldol condensation is not possible. Just remember this one. Okay. Now after the aldol condensation, students, now we are having a cross aldol condensation. What is it, brother? Now we are having a cross aldol condensation. You see, all of you please. Cross aldol condensation. So whenever we are talking about the cross aldol condensation, so just remember this one, that is the cross aldol condensation. We have to just take a two aldehydes or ketones, but just remember they both should be different. They both should be different. Then only there will be the cross aldol condensation. Is that clear? Or then only there will be the cross aldol condensation. You see, just see there also. Suppose I am writing here this one, CH3. Once again, what I am writing there, CH3COH. Okay, and one more I am writing, collectively CH3CH2COH. Clear? So this one I am going to write over there in the cross aldol condensation. Again the reaction is there with the dilute NaOH. Students, what is going to happening over here when now you see a difference. This is also containing alpha hydrogen. This is also containing alpha hydrogen. You know what is the difference there? Both the molecules are different. These both the molecules are different. Now student, what is going to happen over there, I will tell you here. When we are taking the product like that, there are 4 products are possible. What is it? 4 products. What is happening there? First of all, there will be the self-aldol condensation of this molecule, then self-aldol condensation of this molecule, then let it be, this is the molecule A and this is the molecule B. What I am doing, first of all, I am doing self-aldol condensation of molecule A. When this molecule will go under the self-aldol condensation only A, then what will be the product over there? CH3COH, then CH2COH. This is from the A. Okay, same way we can do self-aldol condensation of the reactant B also. Then it will give, okay, you must see first of all self-aldol means ये वाला एक molecule है within same molecule like this, and we will do the aldol condensation. Then what is going to become over there? CH3 CH2 COH H. Then after that what will be there? Yeah, ये तो हमने बना दिया. How it will form? Because बेटा मैंने आपको तो बताया, CH3 CH2 COH, same molecule will be there, and one of the H will, where it will go? It will go there, CH3 CH2 COH, then H. Okay, then which H will? This one. Yes, this one is going to attach over here, COH. Understood? This is our product B from the self-aldol condensation. Now you can see the third one. Now in the third one, what I am going to do there, third one is possible is there when hydrogen from A, suppose A, this is their H, this H is going where? To B. Means when hydrogen is going from A to B. Once again I am telling you, this is the alpha hydrogen. What is it? This is the alpha hydrogen. This hydrogen is going where? this hydrogen is going to the molecule B, this one here. Okay, then product will be CH3 CH, then yes COH H, then CH2 COH. Is that clear? This is from when the hydrogen is going from A to B. When the hydrogen is going from A to B. So but the same way one more product is possible. अब उसमें क्या होगा one more product possible में? Yes, please tell me what will be there in that? जब हम कहते हैं कि one more product, there is a CH3 CH2 happening. I think you know very well. Okay, you understood my point. What I have done over there? See, one of the hydrogen has gone over there. CH2 COH H, then CH2 COH. Now I am doing reverse. Reverse में कैसे होगा? देखो ध्यान से. All of you see it very carefully. I am writing for you people again. There is a CH3 COH plus. Then here again I am writing for you people once again so that you can understand. CH3 CH2 COH. Now what I am going to do there, beta? There is alpha hydrogen like this. Now this hydrogen is going where? Is going to that side. So here the product will be CH3 COH H, then after that CH3 COH. Is that clear? Oh yes or no? Like this way only we have made. So how many products? Here A to B, and this one we can write from B to A. Hydrogen is going from B to A. Okay, beta. So how many total products has been formed? So there will be a total 4 products. Number 1, it is formed by self-controlled condensation of A. It is formed by self-controlled condensation of B. And this one is formed by when hydrogen is gone from A to B. This one is formed from when hydrogen gone from B to A. Clear? Now total 4 product has been formed. How many product has been formed? 4 product has been formed. Okay, beta. But the problem is this one. What they are saying? There is whatsoever product we are getting over there, beta. Okay, whatsoever the product we are getting over there, we are getting a huge mixture over there. What we are getting there? Huge mixture over there, and their melting and boiling point is almost same. So their separation is become difficult, and reaction also becomes complicated. To avoid this complication, what we are going to do? Usually, so this method, what they are saying is not suitable. So usually, whensoever cross aldol condensation is there, what they are saying, we are always using one molecule. One molecule with the alpha hydrogen and the another molecule without alpha hydrogen. Clear? One molecule with the alpha hydrogen, one without alpha hydrogen. Like that. HCOH plus CH3 COCH3. Okay, let it be COH CH3 COH. Are you getting my point? One is without alpha hydrogen. Suppose I am writing there C6H5COH. Okay, C6H5COH. Then I am writing there C6H5CH2COH. Is that clear? Now, in the first case, just remember one thing. It's containing no alpha hydrogen. This is containing alpha hydrogen. Okay. Now what to do there? अब clear है हमारे पास. अब तो it's very easy. Only one is containing alpha hydrogen. So that is why this hydrogen will go where? This hydrogen will go there. Then it will become OH, CH2, then CH2, CO, CH3. Is that clear? This H will come here. OH OH, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. Okay, then after that, again you see the dilute NaOH. What to do? Here in this case also you see one of the alpha hydrogen will go over there, OH, CH2, CH2, COH. Okay, then after that, again there is alpha hydrogen. We can take from there. It will go over there. Then product will be C6H5COH. Then CH C6H5COH. Clear? Are you getting my point? These are the product of the cross aldol condensation. These are the product of cross aldol condensation. So student, just remember it. Okay, one molecule, this is not containing any alpha hydrogen, this one not containing any alpha hydrogen, this one also not containing any alpha hydrogen. So whenever we are talking about the cross aldol condensation, usually we are saying one molecule should contain alpha hydrogen or one molecule will not contain alpha hydrogen. Okay, then after that, students, just remember one thing more that is very important. उसमें in the one thing more, what we are usually saying in the note, you can write this one, that in the note you can write whenever the reaction of the condensation between an aromatic aldehyde and an aliphatic aldehyde or ketone in the presence of dilute alkalis, then this is known as Claisen-Scamidit condensation reaction. What do you call it? Whenever there is a reaction between what? Between the aromatic aldehyde or ketone and between the aliphatic C. This is suppose this is the aromatic aldehyde. Okay. Now I am writing one more. This is the aliphatic aldehyde in the presence of dilute NaOH. I told like that. Okay. Then this is called Claisen-Scamidit. CLASEIN. Claisen. CL for the CLAISEN. Claisen-Scamidit. SCHMID. Scamidit reaction. Claisen-Scamidit reaction or simple Claisen condensation. Okay. Now, what is the product over there? H will go there. Then this one will give OH and one H will come there. Then it will give CH2, COH. Then you can remove the water molecule from there. And when we are going to remove the water molecule, then what will be the product over there? One OH from there and one H from there. Then product will be ring CH double bond CH, then C double bond OH. Is that clear, beta? This is the product we are, this is the product we are getting over there. Clear? Oh, clear. Once again I am repeating you. This is the aromatic and this is the aliphatic. Okay, when we are taking like that, then that way only it is called Claisen-Scamidit reaction or Claisen condensation. Is that clear to you all? Okay, students. Now after that, student, one more is there, one more reaction is there, that is known as intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Okay, you please see what is there. Third one more, intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. What is it? Intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. So whenever we are talking about the intramolecular aldol condensation, it means we are going to use only one molecule, into which hydrogen will be there, alpha hydrogen will be there. You must see all of you. Let it be, I am writing this one, CHO, then okay. Now you see, this is the only one molecule which is containing the alpha hydrogen. This is hexane 1,6 di. Now we are giving its reaction with the dilute NaOH. Any of the hydrogen we can take from their spores. This hydrogen is there. This hydrogen is going to go over there. Okay, is going to come over there. तो क्या बन जाएगा यहाँ पर? It will become COH. वो बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा? Yes or no? क्या बन जाएगा? COH. And this carbon will join the bond. Yes. Okay. So it will become. You must see all of you. CH2, CH2, COH. Downside CH2, then CH. Yes, just like that. CH, then COH. Condensation reaction. Okay, intramolecular aldol condensation. Into that, what is going to happening over there? In this case, we see aldehyde will be there in the same molecule. Means, suppose I am writing there CH2. This is CH2, and this is COH, and again CH2. Then I am writing CH2, then again it is COH. Okay, now we are giving its reaction with the dilute NaOH. This is called hexane 1,6 dial. Okay, in this case, what to do there, madam? See, both the why intramolecular aldol condensation? Because CO group is here in the same molecule. One of the hydrogen from there you can take alpha hydrogen, and where it will go? It will go over there, and the product will become. You see all of you. ये बन जाएगा CH2, then CH2, then COH, then H, CH2 ये वाला ऐसे रहेगा. This, then after that ये क्या रह जाएगा? ओनली CH. एंड एक बात और देखो, ये वाला, हाँ, वन थिंग मोर यू सी, यहाँ से ये कार्बन का हाइड्रोजन गया है लाइक दिस, दे विल मेक द बॉन्ड लाइक दिस में ओनली. ओके, तो देन दिस इज COH, एंड इसका एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर एज इट इज रह जाएगा. Is that clear to you? Are you getting my point? What I have done over there? See, this H will go over there. OH will become. So between this carbon and this carbon, bond will be there like this. So I have made. This is the CH, ठीक है? And this is the COH, and this will becomes aldol. So this was the intramolecular aldol condensation. Okay, students. Thank you very much.